So I got a dilemma. Tomorrow's field day, and I told my first grader we would not be buying her shirt. One, because they're too expensive. Two, because they don't make them in her size because she's so tiny. Well, I said, what color is your shirt? They said pink. And then she asked if I could draw an eagle because that's their mascot on a shirt. I was gonna do that, but then I saw a cool video that shows me that I can do it at home. So let's try this thing at home. Let's go get some supplies first. I guess my phone connected to my Bluetooth, but what I'm saying here is let's see how it works out. It only requires an iron, some scissors, and a printer, and then an at-home kit. So I'm on my way to get an at-home kit. That's what's being said here. Let's check it out. So got to Walmart, grabbed the DIY kit. Of course, got sidetracked and had to buy something extra. And now that we're on our way, let's head out. Then I saw Chick-fil-A, had to grab some food. After grabbing some breakfast, got to the house. First, I got to find the logo, so searched up Riverside Eagles Elementary, and here's what we got. After finding the right logo, go ahead and grab that, save it, pull it over to a Word document, and then we got to transfer it over so that we can print it out. So let's scale it to size. Wouldn't you know, the printer has an update. Let's go ahead and load the paper in. This is the way you're supposed to load it in, then print it out. This is where I mess up because I thought that I didn't print it mirrored. The words would not show up right. Turns out, once you peel it off, you lay it on flat, which you can see I had quite a bit of problems doing. Probably took about 3 to 5 minutes right here to do this. It is really frustrating, actually. I do have an ironing board, but it recommends to not use one for some reason. It says to use a pillowcase, which I used a towel instead. And so that's what I'm doing right here on this mini little setup that I have. Took the iron. They say to iron it out, real simple, without steam. That's what I'm doing. And then you take it and you just lay it on there. But before I could, I had to actually get some tweezers to finally get this apart. Wish I would have thought of that about 5 to 7 minutes ago. So now that we have that, we're actually just going to pull it apart. Pretty satisfying to watch that. Place it on here the best I can, centered. And then press it out nicely. Lay your parchment paper over top. Go over it a few times in the high setting for cotton. That's what I'm doing right here. I got a time lapse going so that it doesn't bore you as you watch it. You do that a few different times. You wait 20 seconds in between each time, getting a little bit firmer every single time. Then after about 2 minutes and it's cooled off, you get to pull it off, and this is the final product. How's it look? So my first grader just got home. I showed her the shirt, all happy. She was happy, but she's like, Dad, didn't I say Riverside Elementary? Can you write that on there? I was like, I can try. Here's how it turned out. And this is the new final product. How do you guys think I did? She thinks it's awesome. So that's all that really matters.